So in this video we are going to look at a scan for a narrow CPR for tomorrow. So this will identify all the stocks in the US market which is going to have a narrow CPR for coming trading days. So this is a 1 day, so you have to trade in 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. So what you need to do is the scan is given in the description. You can just take the scan, and then you can upload it in the Thinkorswim. So I ran it for daily, so I already saved this. If you want to save it to watch list, save it as watch list like that. So now I want to run it for a weekly. Okay, so I just want to do a weekly. So it just came back with 48 entries. So I want to save this. Narrow CPR. Okay, so now this is saved. Okay, so 1. Okay, so now I'm going to show in the charts how this can be used. Okay, so here are the stocks which came out in that CPR. Right, so let's say, let me go here, go to now CPR, narrow CPR for tomorrow. Okay, then I'm going to pull up the narrow CPR for next week. Okay, so typically I want to sort by volume, so that you want to only look at companies which has a good volume. Okay, you don't want to look at anything else. So this okay, so now let's go and analyze the stocks on these stocks, stocks. So now so this is narrow CPR weekly, right? So I'm going to sort this by volume. So I want to look at stocks with a high volume. So now I want to switch it to 1 hour time frame. Okay, and then I'm going to load my weekly CPR. Okay, so this scan is not perfect, so sometimes it may not show up. Okay, so this first one is not good, so let's go here. It's not good. Okay, this one is good. Okay, so let's look at this. This is a very narrow CPR. You can see, so there are 2 consecutive CPRs which are trending up. So this is a very good uptrending stock. So let's expand. You can see that it's hovering around the resistance of R1. Sorry, it's S1. Okay, sorry, R1 here. Support one is here. Okay, so now the next day is a narrow CPR. So we can expect there's going to be a trending day. So what you have to do is you have to wait for the first hour 10:30 and then see what type of candle it's coming up with. It's coming with a bullish candle with no wick on the bottom. So you have to make sure you change your so Heikin-Ashi, right? You want to make sure there's no wick in the bottom like this kind of candle, right? If you see a green candle, then you can take the trade. Okay, but this is only very short term, right? We are on 1 hour candle, which only maybe 3-4 days, not more than that. Okay, now here also next one, AGNC. So this also has a narrow CPR. So it's this up to 2 uptrending CPRs. So this stock is in a good uptrend. One more, which is NYCB. Okay, so this is a weekly CPR. So you can see that it's uptrend. Stock is uptrending. So this is a good stock to play for swing trading for a couple of days. Okay, US. So now, so this is not a good one because it's not showing CPR. This is a good one again. Okay, but this CPR is lower than the. So if you look at here, this is not a valid one because you have consecutive 3 CPRs up. So this is up and then this is low. Okay, so this is not a good one. So let's look at this. This is not a good one. This is a downtrending stock. Okay, Vodafone. Okay, so this is downtrending stock. So this is a CPR which is downtrending. So this is a narrow CPR. The stock is going to go down. But don't trade all the stocks. Just to make sure you trade some good names, and then do some fundamental analysis also to make sure good revenues. CVP is uptrending stock. A narrow CPR. Okay. Now let's go and look at CPR in the daily time frame. CPR daily, and then now 1 minute, sorry 5 minute. Then we are going to say narrows personal, narrow CPR day. Okay, so these are the ones which are narrow CPR for tomorrow. Okay, so the first one is HP Huntington Bank. It's a 5 minute time frame. This is a very good uptrending stock. You can see there is a narrow CPR. Okay, so PBR, this also has a narrow CPR. So if you want to do a daily CPR, then you have to go to a 5 minute time frame, 5 or 15 minute time frame. So this is a narrow CPR. This 3 uptrending stocks is a good one also. HST, let's look at FB, Facebook. So this is not a narrow CPR. This is a narrow CPR and went down. Now it is a, so this CPR is not going uptrending. So thanks for watching the video. You can see the link for the narrow CPR scan for Thinkorswim. You can basically analyze the scan for daily, monthly, weekly, 2 days, 3 days, whatever time frame you want. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share and also comment. Thank you.